UPC is a Congress of the people.
Mu rukiko rw'abebembezi b'ekigombe ky'obutegetsi ekya Uganda People's Congress ningashi UPC omu kyanga kya Bunyoro rubiire aha HOIMA Cultural Center kandi ababorekire okwetombeita omuringo abantu barikubonabonamu okutunga emirimo ya Gavumenti.
Today jobs are being sold, and not only from the commission, but every department there is corruption.
There is something that people are always saying that this political party is basically for the elderly. But then the question at hand is, what about these young political parties that have come in? Are they not going to grow old? Eventually they are also going to grow old. So should we say that every political party that stays there for some good time, it's now having only leaders who are old, should we phase it out and we form new ones? No, I think we need to come up with new people.
Abagurusa abayikaireho enyuma abali bakomerwa enyuma kara na kara nibo abakira abayikaire ni barora hati habwe ensonga egyo abantu batandika gamba nti hati UPC eri pache ya abantu abakuzire irunda bakayikura.
Abantu bashaba Gavumenti okureba aho obuzibu buri babutereze ngo habo kuba enguzi yabe enguzi okuremesa abantu abarikubaasa okutunga emirimo ya Gavumenti.
Kyonka emirimo bibini nibagitunda ndiyo ni 10, which is very wrong.
Tunulira bizibu ki abantu by'Ebunyoro byebayina era nakalungi kike basigazaawo mu budde buno katunulira ebirungi byebayina etunulira n'ebibulawo ebyo natusobole okubigonjoola nga tuyingidde mu buyinza.
Ni mukimanya ngo ekitebe kya UPC kibeere kistrugglinga emyaka yenyuma uko kibe kitakusana okufielding omuntu hano Bunyoro kyonko mukarukana akamazire tukabana n'abantu abakwasire bendera y'ekitebe bakaba abantu 15.
So UPC is a strong party, and members of UPC, we must remain strong. Let us not be in UPC as UPC prostitutes. This is what is killing us.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.